Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. NDC for enipa bi aba abonten de nsem aba betuja. Wutie nsem a wo kan ase wo pese wo bo President Akufo-Addo echi. Se wo take actions bi. Nanso actions na wo ye no, wo ye the opposite. Na chese na nyaatwum sem ebem. Na embra sa NDC ni pei wo kan nsem no. We reveal secrets bi a wo trese President Akufo-Addo ansa na gabi o trader kokra be ko se wo kwa akohia Mahama no. President Akufo-Addo secretly ekokohia the minority leader eye Haruna Idrisu ani na enam sa 11 sensem we so. And that first time we have subscribing, now click the notification bell on it. So we have the latest news be about one sa ebeka. We have a new YouTube channel. Link no comment box nimo click and subscribe it. Now quickly yon consem nimo. We have mynewsgh.com article now we say you met Haruna, sends Gabi to Mahama, yet this is your attitude against our MPs. NDC in sema wa more kanono. Now okay, I will explain. Na nipaku ya sema a wo kan etrese Akufo-Addo inti no ukohia Haruna Idrisu secretly uwie na osoma Gabi se nkonkohia Mahama na wo wie echi yende ase wo pese wo crack NDC MPs down na nini nemu ene se
Melodies TV on YouTube
ato forcing ye de no ekwa akogina court enam eye yesi ambulance Mahama time eye ambulance purchasing bi ato forcing yesi nensa ehya ase inti no the new Kojina court for causing financial loss to the state. Ato forcing sinsun sema wo kan say ambulance no 2011 and I sign krata for sa ambulance no. Wono ato forcing wo bedani deputy minister ewo 2013 inti sende ade a wono bedani deputy minister 2013 na ade no koso 2011 near the new Kojina court there na trese ebo apayo Omo pese omo ya no mu reduce NDC MPs ne numbers. Nti edu ne se abato obi a na ebia NDC MPs no ebi mo ntumi nye den emba parliament ho. NDC fo bi nsem a womo eka no. Nti based on this matter, na branch ya ba bontia ba be reveal secret say Akufo-Addo sene a wo ye ya wo ma na wo kohia Haruna, wo de kotosre kohia Haruna sanso emma Gabi de kotosre be sra ma ebehia Mahama no. Na yen de ye hu ne se ebia what the kotosre eneba, but one my yehune say yes, sir. Inti, this is the context of the whole thing. But let's go and read so we understand it more. I say the National Democratic Congress has said the attitude being exhibited by the Akufo-Addo government is unbecoming of a government that is seeking consensus. As in an article published by Deputy National Communications Officer of the party, Godwin Akogan, he wondered why the president who meets minority leader Haruna Idrisu sent his cousin Gabi to meet John Mahama and yet be exhibiting such parochial posture. Nta some can say one tias here say Akufo-Addo be ya ade we ni na echi. Nti well-meaning Ghanaians because Akufo-Addo is looking forward to build consensus. Not just we're dropping the ego and as you see person will include the NDC for. Now, so nini nechi no, and some yeni. He said he believes the ruling party is out to get Abambagben and are sweeping every ministry of decks he ever sat. Enti, as someone can say, MPP for Sisiano, you see, and let me explain this. The entire Omoka say the attack on Atufose no, it is an indirect attack on Abambagben no, and Nuni. Listen, this is it. Embrana Atufose mo ye deputy minister of health. Ye the ambulance nation the corner. So that time no, na Abambagben and na wo ye minister. It's in natural sense. Nanka NDC phone semo a womo MPP phone semo a womo de eba no Atufose nso no. In natural sense nanka Abambagben e o se ye the corner so because no na no minister that time. But I say womo person be go straight to Abambagben and na womo de fa deputy. So this is what the NDC believes. Into almost say they are looking forward to sweep Abambagben. Nancy mema obetia mema otiase Nancy in somewhere. Ye ni ayete ye. Nancy and someone else say chairman sabon sukan say abambag benkrano ohwa constitutionally no yan elect no into onye speaker trese ensem kuguruja into NDC for esusu said abi MPP for person mo ye every means possible to remove abambag, but they know the consequences of that. Women say if they go forward and they do that, it wouldn't go well for this country, for the peace of this country. Just a more for corners. That is what some NDC people believe. Or see, he urged NDC MPs to be vigilant as the MPP could go any length to reduce their number. Or see, comrades, I laughed out loud when I heard the Attorney General has bought a new broom to reach out to every corner of the offices and ministries the Right Honorable Alban Bagbin ever worked since independence to prosecute
Melodies
him
TV
along
on
with some
YouTube.
members of parliament. I say, Honorable, the prince of this world comes against you, but he has nothing in you. I love what 2022 brings along. Our elders say when the mouse becomes desperate and destructive, it falls into oil. I see Nana getting there this year. And someone will try no. Now let's read the full statement. This is the full statement. Let's read it. I say, full statement. No. I say it remains a pride to enter public service and retire with no blemish. It becomes even better when people who work against you rise in honor of your achievements and say in their hearts, we tried everything, but you stood tall. Being a speaker at a time when you didn't have the majority nor the nominee of the president takes something more than political backing of the minority. It takes personal character, achievement, and people's trust over the years to do it. I have heard members of parliament on both sides singing his praise. Father, oh Father, this can only come with hard work and perseverance. I say, may I use this opportunity to humbly ask our members of parliament to guard their lives with all diligence. You are our pride and the only check on the free spending and looting MPP government. Into your say, NDC for what's real NDC MPs no. I feel where I am wamon kwa ho ban yie pa because o hwe ensem air corner send ya wamon air sorry etia MPP decisions e parliament na MPP fo anya dia wamon ni age ho nti MPP fo mbo mo ban ho yie NDC fo mbo mo ban ho yie. Also, the MPP government will do everything possible to reduce our numbers by foul means. May we at the constituency level also have the wisdom to protect what we have as we pray for more in the days ahead. Comrades, I laughed out loud when I heard the Attorney General has bought a new broom to reach out to every corner of the offices and ministries the Right Honorable Alban Bagbin ever worked since independence to prosecute him along with some members of parliament. Honorable, the prince of this world comes against you, but he has nothing in you. I love what 2022 brings along. Our elders say when the mouse becomes desperate and destructive, it falls into oil. I see Nana getting there until I say in Pennyfor say ekra waye na adwin say ana wode ewudisem etu ni trim say wokodi ewu a ekra no woto eye angwa anangumu nti ohun ne say Nana do wada na ekra asebo ozi ohun ne say Nana do wada na ekra na wanhwe ni ya obeto ngumu. Also, I thought Nana do Danko Ekufuado sent his nephew Gabi to JM.
Melodies
I thought
TV
Nana
on
sent
YouTube.
for Honorable Haruna Idrisu to appeal to him and other leaders of the party. Thank God the line was drawn straight and clear to him. When persuasion fails, prosecution must be applied. Ha ha ha. Inti Hassan Awo make a revelation. No. Se Nanado esoma Gabi o trader akon ekoma hama ho. Nanado esanso somaye ema wone Haruna Idrisu ehyiaye. Na Haruna Idrisu ene Mahama womo ma Nanado ehu ni straight said abi ade we de yempene asemo a NDC Deputy Communications Director walk no. And I was three was say ha. I say I love the unity, strength and cooperation from the minority side in parliament. I will salute you any day for the tenacity you have shown, and I know bigger things are ahead of us. Let me humbly appeal to those who also make negative headlines with the least opportunity to attack our MPs, even when they are told it is a misleading story. This is not the spirit of comradeship, But for the advisors of the president, I weep for you. This is the time to wear a wisdom cap, not an arrogant one. At this time, where your ministers in parliament are going up and down locally and internationally, you wouldn't be flexing muzzles. I love the heartwarming warning from my General Secretary on the 40th anniversary of the 31st December Revolution. Whenever impunity becomes law, resistance becomes a duty. What a tone for a luta continua to the oppressor. I say sorry, your days are numbered. To the oppressed, I say better days ahead. Kun fire kun. Kun fire kun. Mentiasia ebiane yauza. But in some waka ne tintini ni tietie mu no say MPP4 they are coming at NDC na no waka che NDC for so wo mon hye den wo mon bo wo mon kwan so ho eban mon tre mo adwo comment box ni mu we da say